In this video I'm going to basically demonstrate the use of a database that I have created for maintaining information about Khan Academy videos with respect to subtitling and translation. It's primarily used right now for English subtitling, but it can be used ultimately for letting translators know when videos are ready for translation, and also keeping track of which ones have been translated and what the progress of the translation of each video is. So it's called Khan Translate, and the primary table in this database is the videos table. Right now I have 946 videos loaded into the system, most of which are current on the Khan Academy website. Some have actually been what we might call delisted. They no longer appear. And among the fields that I'm tracking are the actual title of the video. It's important to know that there are two titles. There's the one in YouTube and there's the one in Khan Academy, and they're not always the same. In fact, they're quite often different. This is the video category that Khan Academy stores these videos under to make them easier to be found, and so that students can watch them in sequential order and get kind of a progression of learning as they go from video to video. This information here is how long the video runs in minutes and seconds. This is my estimation as to how much we have effectively transcribed. The number 50 and 25 appear often because I use YouTube's automatic captions to preload and pre-start the process of transcribing in many cases. This is the field for keeping track of what we're doing with the video. This is the date that the video was uploaded to YouTube. This is YouTube's unique ID for the video. This is an indication as to whether or not we have successfully imported the automatic captions from YouTube. This is the URL so that we can get directly to the video. These are the presenters. This is the status as to where we stand with that video right now. If it says subtitle me, that means that no subtitling has been done. If it says English, someone has either started and or completed the subtitling in English. Primary language is an indication of a parameter that the Amara system uses to keep track of videos. Unfortunately, sometimes that value will be set to something other than English. And so let's go into the system and take a look at a record. So again, that information, we've got the YouTube URL created basically by taking this ID and just concatenating it to the standard form. This would take us to the video. This would take us to the video in Khan Academy's website. And here are the imported automatic captions for that video. We keep an estimation of what percent has been transcribed and what percent of proofreading has been done. In other words, how close we are to where we can say that this video is complete and ready for translation. When we get to the point where we're feeling like we're about 98 to 99% quality, then we'll click the button here, cleared for translation, so the translators can know to begin to work with this video. And we have some other fields available as well. We can import the final transcripts here when they're ready for translation. We can also import the transcripts broken up for screen display, one line per screen. We can put a link to a Google Doc of the actual transcript as we get closer to it being ready for final display. And these are the links to get to the Amara pages relative to this video subtitles.